In this video, I want to talk about how you can get Shein credit. Now, currently there are 3 different ways to do this. The first one is with refunds. If you go to your account and go to My Orders, inside of there, find the order, and if you actually want to refund it and get credits, you can simply click on the order, choose the reason why you want to return it or refund it, and then select that you want to refund in Shein Wallet. Now, the second option is that you can do the in-app promotional games. So if you download Shein on your phone, sometimes they will have games that you can play. So click on the me icon and look for banners in there that says like you can win credit or stuff like this, and then play those games. Now, the third one is referral programs. If you Google Shein referral program, you can get a unique referral link. And with this link, if you send it to your friends and they sign up to Shein, you will be able to get Shein credits. So those are the 3 different ways that you can do it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.